Remember Usomo? Yes. Usomo's king.
Come and sit down here. Yeah, come and sit down here.
You remember Professor some of us?
Yes.
And then whenever we have 4 PhD and was the community. Amazing. Yes. So he is the president of the main body. He is also a president of the religious body. These are the only two bodies that
This is the president, not chief, right?
Yeah, so he is the
president.
You're right, yes.
Head of state, yes.
So he is the DG of the technical committee of the celebrations. Thank you. And our young brothers or the youths, advocates.
Yes.
Even before I was elected as a senator, they've been talking about the states. They said they are Igbos, we are Igbos, we must come together. When they were talking about it, I'm sure they didn't know that there will be an opportunity like this. They were just doing it out of somebody from Kwara. Said that he's an outsider. Thank you. Thank you.